Hey VegNews fam, I'm Food Editor Eddie Garza. Today we're going to be making our own pumpkin pie spice. Why, you ask? Because you don't need to buy a whole container of pumpkin pie spice with ingredients you already have at home. So let's go ahead and get started. For our spice mix, we're going to need half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a quarter teaspoon of allspice, a quarter teaspoon of ground ginger, an eighth of a teaspoon of nutmeg, and an eighth of a teaspoon of ground cloves. And we'll mix all this together and reserve until we're ready to make our pumpkin pie. It's that simple, folks, making your own spice mix at home for your pumpkin latte or your pumpkin pie. Want more tips for holiday cooking? Stay here with us on VegNews.